Hello, welcome to a video review of the Blizzard Entertainment Overwatch 2-pack of Reinhardt and Brigitte. And here are the pops themselves. First, we shall take a look at Reinhardt. Here is the front. The right side. The back. And the left. Alright, this has been Reinhardt from the 2-pack. And here is Brigitte from the 2-pack. One second, I knocked over Frieza. But here's her front. Her stand-up works by connecting to only one leg. Very stiff. Yeah. Here's the front. Her right side. Her back. And her left side. And just so you know, her shield's made of much more softer material than her hammer here. And there's a little bit of clear, transparent, as you can see. Yep, this has been a video review of the Blizzard Entertainment exclusive 2-pack of Reinhardt and Brigitte from Overwatch. Thank you all for watching. I shall see you in the next one.